Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna do another tutorial video how to peg wheelie. Now, peg wheelie, similar to wheeling, a little bit different. There's multiple forms you can peg wheelie, whether you use both of your pegs or one peg. You can do a little kick movement while you're tapping the brakes, kind of like a manual a little bit. This is a really self-explanatory tutorial, but we about to get into it. If you got any other questions about this, leave a comment below. All right, let's go. We out. All right, I'm about to show you the first method. This method, really simple and self-explanatory. You hop on one peg, right? Hop on one peg, lean forward, have your foot back, pull up. Like this. Just like this. That's it. Oh! Just like that.
You gotta keep it going though. Okay.
Alright, this is the second way to pull up. Alright, this method's really simple. All you have to do, get on both of the pegs, lean forward, pull back. Watch. Just like that.
You gotta land it though, bro. Okay.
Good. Alright, I just want to say and clarify, when you peg wheelie, you want to make sure that you go a little bit fast and you do not go too slow. If you go too slow, you're not going to be able to do tricks on the peg. You're not going to be able to peg work at all. That's very important to know. Alright guys, that's for the rest of this video, how to peg wheelie. I hope this tutorial really helped, because that's how I learned how to peg wheelie. All you have to do is just lean forward and pull back, just tap your brakes, that simple. If this tutorial helped you, tap in with more of my tutorials.
Shayna.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, more tutorials on the way. Let me know in the comments what type of tutorials you guys want and need to see, and let me know what you guys need help on. You feel me? Make sure you tap in with IG, TikTok, don't matter. Just tap in, especially the shorts. The shorts really help out. All right, peace.